Hello, I'm Design Guy, ready to master Canva Docs? I'll guide you through all the cool features. Click Create in the menu. Choose Docs from the available options. Next, select the A4 size template to start your new document with the correct dimensions. Begin typing your words in the provided field. Enter any text you want to use for this example, then review your input for accuracy. You can also use these options here to enhance your work. Explore the available tools, select the ones you need, and apply them directly to your current project or document. Click the bold button to make your text bold. Next, use the italics and underline options as needed. To select all text, press Ctrl A. With everything selected, you can apply formatting or use spell check. When the spell check element appears, review the suggested corrections. If you encounter a language issue, you can choose to ignore it and continue editing your document as necessary. Add this word to your dictionary to remove the red highlight. You can also customize your document by changing the text color to suit your preferences. You can also use elements in Canva, such as graphics or tables, to enhance your design. To add a table, go to the Elements tab and search for Table. Click it to insert into your canvas, then write your desired names or information directly into the table cells. You can enter your age, select Don't Care, or write your occupation. Additionally, you'll have the option to add regular text or choose from special text styles. To create text using the app, open the application and navigate to the text creation section. Click on the Create Text button, then type your desired message. Once finished, confirm your entry to add the text to your project. Alternatively, you can search for a work record directly within the platform. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen, type in the name or keyword related to the work record you need, and press Enter. Review the search results, then select the appropriate work record to access its details and manage relevant information efficiently. Add a work record by selecting the appropriate option. Change its color to match your design preferences. You can now use this customized record as a header for the table. This helps visually organize your data. Additionally, you have the option to add more records as needed for your workflow. Use the additional text area to include subheadings or smaller details you want to highlight. This section is flexible, allowing you to add any content that supports your main message. For example, you can list multiple items, provide further explanations, or insert important reminders. Simply click into the text box and type your information. Use formatting options to organize your content, making it clear and easy to read for anyone viewing your document or project. Highlight the text you want to format. Then use the bullet icon in the toolbar to quickly convert your selection into a bulleted list. You can use this numbering feature in a variety of roles. Whether you're a student organizing assignments, a graduate tracking job applications, someone who's unemployed managing tasks, or a teacher structuring class materials, the functionality remains the same. Simply add numbers to your list to keep information clear and ordered. This makes it easier to stay organized, regardless of your current position or needs. Utilize numbering for efficient workflow and better clarity. Once you're satisfied with your design or document, click the Share button at the top right. Then select Download from the menu. You'll see options for file formats. Choose PDF Standard if you want a PDF version, or select Microsoft Word to download a .docx file. Your document will then download automatically. Select the document size from the options provided, then click the Download button to save your file with the specified dimensions. Now you know the basics of Canva Docs. Give it a try! If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips.